The world of finance is changing fast. Every day, new technologies and innovations are reshaping how we think about money, investments, and transactions. And at the heart of this revolution is a digital currency called XRP, created by Ripple Labs. XRP aims to revolutionize the way we transfer money across the globe. But XRP isn't just another Bitcoin wannabe. While Bitcoin is often seen as digital gold, XRP is designed for speed and efficiency. In financial transactions, it's a powerful tool designed to move money across borders faster and cheaper than ever before. Imagine sending money to a friend overseas in seconds with minimal fees. But there's a catch. XRP has been locked in a legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). This legal showdown has captured the attention of the entire financial world. The SEC claims XRP is a security, not a currency. This classification could change everything for Ripple and its ambitious plans. This distinction might seem small, but it has huge implications for XRP's future. If deemed a security, XRP would face stricter regulations and potentially stifle its growth. The outcome of this case could determine whether XRP realizes its potential to transform global finance. It could pave the way for other digital currencies, or set a precedent that hinders innovation, or if it gets bogged down in regulations designed for a different era. The stakes are high, and the clock is ticking, so buckle up. We're diving deep into the world of XRP, the SEC lawsuit, and what it all means for the future of money. Stay tuned as we explore the intricacies of this landmark case and its potential impact on the financial landscape. For years, the Ripple SEC lawsuit has cast a long shadow over XRP, creating a cloud of uncertainty that has affected its market performance and investor confidence. But recently, whispers of a settlement have begun to circulate, sparking hope and speculation among investors and industry experts alike. This has sent ripples of excitement through the crypto community, with many anticipating a positive outcome that could change the landscape for XRP. A settlement would be a major win for Ripple, potentially validating its business model and opening new doors for partnerships and growth. It would remove the legal uncertainty that has plagued XRP for years, allowing the company to focus on innovation and expansion without the looming threat of litigation and investors. Would breathe a sigh of relief, as the resolution of this case could lead to a surge in XRP's value and market stability, and XRP could finally start to fulfill its true potential, becoming a key player in the global financial system and a preferred choice for cross-border transactions. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. The path to a settlement is fraught with complexities and negotiations. The details of any settlement would be crucial, determining the future regulatory landscape for XRP and its operational freedom. A favorable settlement would see the SEC acknowledge XRP's status as a currency, which would be a landmark decision for the entire cryptocurrency industry. This would pave the way for a wider adoption, as financial institutions and businesses would feel more confident in integrating XRP into their operations. However, a less favorable settlement could impose restrictions on XRP's use, limiting its functionality and appeal. This would limit its growth potential, making it difficult for Ripple to achieve its ambitious goals. The devil, as they say, is in the details. Every clause and condition will matter, shaping the future of XRP and its role in the financial ecosystem. While the SEC lawsuit has raged on, Ripple hasn't exactly been sitting idly by. In a bold move, the company announced a strategic buyback of XRP. This is a clear signal of confidence in XRP's future. Think of it like this. Imagine a company buying back its own stock. It's a sign that they believe the stock is undervalued and poised for growth. Ripple's XRP buyback is sending a similar message. By reducing the supply of XRP in circulation, the buyback could potentially drive up its price. It's basic economics. When supply goes down and demand remains constant, prices tend to rise. This has fueled speculation among investors that XRP is on the verge of a major breakout. It's not just retail investors who are taking notice of XRP. There's a growing buzz about XRP in the halls of Wall Street. Institutional investors, with their deep pockets and appetite for returns, are starting to see the potential of XRP. Central banks around the world are also exploring the use of digital currencies for cross payments. XRP, with its speed and efficiency, is a natural contender for this role. Imagine a world where transferring money across borders is as easy as sending a text message. That's the promise of XRP, the entrance of institutional investors and central banks into the XRP-SP. The XRP space is a major development. It adds an air of legitimacy to XRP and signals a shift in the financial landscape. The old guard is taking notice. Section 5, could XRP skyrocket to 10,000? Let's address the elephant in the room. The audacious prediction that XRP could reach 10,000. Is it possible? Well, in the wild world of crypto, and anything is possible. Some analysts believe that if XRP becomes the DAO standard for cross payments, its value could skyrocket. They point to the trillions of dollars that flow through the global payment system every day. If XRP captures even a fraction of that market, its price could soar. However, it's important to remember that this is just speculation. The crypto market is notoriously volatile. Predicting the future price of any cryptocurrency is a fool's errand. There are simply too many variables. At play, Section 6, Ripple affects the SEC case. In the future of crypto, the Ripple CC lawsuit isn't just about XRP. It has far-reaching implications for the entire crypto industry. The outcome of this case could set a precedent for how cryptocurrencies are regulated in the United States. A victory for Ripple would be a major win for the crypto industry. It would provide much-needed regulatory clarity and encourage innovation. However, a loss for Ripple could stifle the growth of the crypto. To industry in the United States, the SEC's aggressive stance towards crypto has drawn criticism from many quarters. Critics argue that the SEC's outdated regulations are stifling innovation and pushing crypto businesses overseas. The Ripple case could force the SEC to rethink its approach to crypto regulation. Section 7, a new financial order, XRP's potential impact. If XRP fulfills its potential, it could revolutionize the global financial system. Imagine a world where cross-border payments are instant, frictionless, and affordable. This would be a game changer for individuals and businesses alike. Small businesses in particular stand to benefit from XRP's low transaction fees. These businesses often struggle with the high costs of traditional cross-border payments. XRP could level the playing field and open up new opportunities for small businesses to participate in the global economy. XRP could also play a crucial role in financial inclusion. Billions of people around the world lack access to traditional banking services. XRP could provide a low-cost and accessible way for these individuals to participate in the global economy. Section 8, navigating the volatile world of crypto, a note of caution. The allure of quick riches in the crypto market is undeniable. Stories of overnight millionaires and skyrocketing coin values are everywhere, but it's crucial to approach cryptocurrencies with a healthy dose of caution. The market's not just about rapid gains, it can be a minefield of risks. The crypto market is highly volatile, and unpredictable prices can swing dramatically. Within hours, sometimes even minutes, investments can plummet just as quickly as they soar. What seems like a sure bet today could be a significant loss tomorrow. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, it's essential to do your research, understand the technology, the team behind it, and the project's long-term viability, and the potential risks involved. Every investment carries its own set of challenges and uncertainties. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. It's a fundamental rule that applies even more in the volatile world of crypto. And remember, diversification is key. Spreading your investments across different assets can help mitigate risks. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your portfolio can provide a safety net against market volatility. The world of crypto is still in its infancy. It's a rapidly evolving space with many unknowns. There will be winners and losers along the way. Some projects will succeed spectacularly, while others may fail. Approach it with a long-term perspective and a healthy dose of skepticism. Patience and due diligence are your best allies. And most importantly, never invest based solely on hyper-speculation. Make informed decisions based on thorough research and analysis. Section in conclusion. A brave new world for finance. The world of finance is on the cusp of a major transformation. Digital currencies like XRP have the potential to revolutionize the way we move and manage money. The Ripple SEC lawsuit is a pivotal moment in this evolution. The outcome of this case will have far-reaching implications for the future of crypto and the global financial system. If XRP prevails, it could usher in a new era of faster, cheaper, and more inclusive financial services. But even if XRP doesn't achieve its lofty goals, the genie is out of the bottle. The world is waking up to the transformative potential of digital currencies. The future of finance is here, and it's digital.